is semi-automatic only within 20 feet. Alright? 20 feet from here to the picnic table. Inside building is semi-automatic. You can shoot out of a building for auto, but you stay closer than 20 feet. You can shoot into a building for auto, but
it's blinking red. Trying to get that street. Hot.
Don't ask questions. What? I can tell you I'm not blown. Hit, nice hit.
We're all dead. All dead.
No,
Sorry, not all dead. Sorry.
Sorry, not all dead. He has a... Fucking dumbass bitch. No, we had a medic, dumbass. We had 3 medics. All here, we're all dead up here. Yeah, they're not.
I can't feel my face right now. Someone has a really hot gun. I'm talking extremely hot.
You are bleeding out of the nose.
Yeah, someone has a hot gun. It literally pushed my goggles down.
Was it the kid that...
I don't know, HPA. Yes, I'm pretty sure because I had my hand up and then he shot my friend Filato.
Oh no!
You are busted right up here.
Yeah, one
Is
of
it
them.
bad?
It's a little spot.
When I come out, can you like check my face for me?
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah, someone got flagged and then we held all of Castle from a tower.
We did. We got it. We got it. We fight go.
Yeah.
Oh, 2.
God damn.
That's one blue. Go with him now. Good, done.
Is that how close it was? Was it close up?
He was up in the tower. It was from down below. So
Appreciate it. Thank you. You have bandages or anything like that? Yeah. Alright. I should have some back.
Larry, you
No. Alright. Better
than dead. Yeah.
Thank you.
I heard a lot of people say they're done. Yeah.
How many volts I got there?
I want to show you which part target.
It's real fun out there. What's the joules? 1.47.